Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan with milk. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including whole milk, large eggs, and granulated sugar. We will begin by creating a rich, golden caramel, which forms the base of this classic dessert. Then, we'll combine the remaining ingredients to create a silky smooth custard mixture. This initial preparation is key to achieving a perfect flan. To make the caramel, gently melt about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your 9-inch round baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. For the custard, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk until thoroughly blended. Now, pour the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve into your caramel-lined baking dish. This step ensures a wonderfully smooth flan. Place the dish into a larger pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes, or until the center is just set. Let it cool completely before chilling for at least 4 hours. To serve, carefully run a thin knife around the edge of the flan, then place a serving plate over the dish and invert it with a quick, confident flip. The caramel will cascade beautifully over the custard. Garnish your delicious flan with fresh berries or a light dusting of cinnamon for an extra touch. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.